Kung ano ang ginawa nating sa given, dapat din sa choices. Una, 2 cosine 0.69. The answer is 1.542. Hindi parehas. Letter B, 2 second, 0.69. So, bali ang result is 2 over. Yung kabaliktaran ng second is cosine 0.69. The answer is 2.593. Again. Next, 2 cosecant 0.69. 2. Ang kabaliktaran ng cosecant is sine. So, sine 0.69. And the answer is 3.142. Baka ito yung answer si letter C dahil kamukha. Pero dapat i-prove na natin na mali si letter B. So, 2 sine 0.69. And the answer is 1.273. The answer is letter C. Kasi siya ang mayroong kamukha. Next, number 9. Letter C. 2 cosecant x. Number 9. Simplify the expression. So, ganun ulit. Calc method ulit. Sin B plus cosine B tangent B all over cosine B. So, calc B is equal to 0.69 charot. So, mas safe kasi kapag small value yung lalagay. So, gawin lang ulit natin sin x plus cosine x tangent x all over cosine x. So, calc 0.69 and meron siyang value na 1.6507. 1.6507. So, at letter A, so calc B is equal to 0.69 pa din. So, 2 tangent B, ano naman ang magiging answer nito? So, 2 tangent x. Nakasave naman na yung x sa 0.69. Nakasave naman yung 0.69 kay x, no? Baya sa mga susunod na choices, yung equals na lang yung pipindutin natin. So, this is 1.6507. So, baka si letter A na yung answer. Si letter B naman, that is tangent B plus cosine B. Tangent B, tangent x plus cosine x. Equals na lang natin dahil nga nakasave naman na si 0.69 kay x. So, 1.597. Hindi parehas. Si letter C, ayan ay tangent B, cosine B. Tangent x, cosine x. The answer is 0.637. Lastly, so isa na lang yung kailangan natin i-prove na mali. 2 sine B, cosine B. That is equal to 0.982. 2 sine B, cosine B. Siya ay 0.982. So the answer is letter A. Kasi siya ang mayroong parehas na value. Next, number 10. So if cosine Z is equal to 2, find cosine 2Z. Diba pag kinukuha natin yung value ng isang theta, ang ginagawa lang natin is ini-inverse natin sila. So yung Z is equal to the arc cosine of 2. And pakita natin dito. So the arc cosine of 2, shift cosine, that is the arc cosine, 2. Siya ay radian. Gawin naman natin arc cosine 2, pad arrow pa din. So, hindi natin kayang isolve dito yung problem using the calculator agad-agad kapag kukunin natin yung cosine 2z. Kasi diba kapag kukunin natin yung cosine 2z, kailangan alam muna natin yung value z. So, ano yung gagamitin natin? the right triangle. Diba? The cosine z, that is ka. That is CAH relation which is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Kaya kung ipapakita natin yung cosine z na yan, ipapakita natin yung fraction, that is 2 over 1. Diba? Ito, kaya nagmamad error yan dahil hindi yan totoo na yung cosine z is equal to 2. Kasi diba sa right triangle, yung hypotenuse palagi ang pinakamahaba. Pero kung titingnan nyo dito, this is the z angle, yung adjacent is 2, and then yung hypotenuse is 1, which is shortcut ng the leg. Pero sundin muna natin yung problem natin para makuha natin yung value ni z. So, paano natin kukunin yung value z? Cosine 2z. So, using trigonometric identities. So, dapat ito alam natin. That cosine 2z, dapat alam natin. Cosine 2z is equal to the cosine square z minus sine square z. So, next. So, itong hinahanapan natin ng value. And alam natin that cosine z is 2 and naka-square yan. Cosine z is 2 from the given. Cosine z natin dito, cosine z na to is 2 and then naka-square. So, minus sine square z. So, how about the sine z? Ano naman yung value ni sine z? Diba ang sine z natin, that is SOH relation or yung so, that is opposite of the hypotenuse. So, kailangan lang naman natin malaman kung ano yung opposite nito. So, the opposite is, ito yung opposite side. Diba nagawa na natin yan? The opposite is the square root of the hypotenuse, 1 square, minus the leg, 2 square. And ano ba ang magiging answer natin dito? 1 minus 4 or square root of negative 3. Tama? So, yung opposite natin is square root of negative 3. So, therefore, yung sine z natin is equal to the opposite, which is square root of negative 3. And the hypotenuse is 1. So, simply, ang sine z natin ay square root of negative 3. Tapos, naka-square siya. So, ito na ang hinahanap natin na value. So, 2 square minus yung square root of negative 3. Math error siya. So, dahil hindi tayo naka-complex. Dahil meron tayong square, meron tayong negative sa loob ng square. So, sa complex mode tayo. Mode na mode. So, 2 square minus square root of negative 3 square. So, the answer is 7. 30. So, let us proceed to number 11. Simplify cosine 0 plus cosine 1 plus cosine 2 plus plus cosine 90 all over sine 0 plus sine 1 plus sine plus plus sine 90. So, mga ganitong types naman ng problems, kailangan natin ng familiarization. For example, pag nakita natin na ganito yung problem, dapat papasok sa isip natin na ganito ang solution yan. So, kasi diba ang problem natin is that yung cosine, yung nasa loob na angle niya is kumbaga nagtatravel, nag-change from 0 pupunta sa 1 and then tuloy-tuloy yun hanggang umabot sa cosine 90. Ibig sabihin na babago ang theta from 0 to 90. Ganun din sa denominator, yung sign natin from sine 0 pupunta ng sine 1 and then magta-travel yan, magpapalit so on ang sunod hanggang umabot ng sine 90. So medyo mahaba yung solution nito kapag type natin sa calculator, hindi pa nga siya kaya ng calculator. Ay hindi pa kaya yung number of characters. Pero ano yung mas madaling gawin natin? Using a function of calculator, the summation, na kung saan yung nasa loob dito is cosine x. That means na yung x natin ay magbabago from 0 papunta sa 90. Diba? Isasum yan. Isasum ng ating calculator lahat ng cosine x wherein yung x will be varying from 0 to 90. So, ganun din dito sa baba, sa denominator. Magkakaroon din ulit tayo dito ng summation of sin x na kung saan ang lahat sin x ay pag-a-addin ng ating calculator wherein x will be from 0 papunta sa 90. And ano ang magiging result nito? So medyo matagal siya sa ating mga calculator, yung actual na calculator natin. So kung gaano katagal dito sa simulator lalabas, mas matagal pa sa mismong actual calculator. So okay lang, maging patient na lang tayo and huwag tayo kabahan kapag hindi siya mabilis na nilalabas ng calculator. So ganito, summation of cosine x from 0 to 90 all over summation of sin x from 0 to 90. And check nyo kung ang calculator ay naka-degree mo dahil kitang-kita naman sa given na mga degrees sila, mga angles in degrees. Hintayin lang natin. So the answer is 1, letter B. Number 12. Find the angle whose supplement exceeds 6 times its complement by 20 degrees. So ito naman yung mga terms natin. So for example, this is the angle. So the theta is the angle. Yung angle theta na to ay mayroong tinatawag na complement. Meron din siyang supplement. And meron din explement. Na kung saan ang value ng bawat isang ito ay nakadepende ito kay angle theta. So si complement, ang value ni complement is 90 minus yung mismong angle na given. Ang supplement naman is 180 minus yung angle na given, while the explement is 360 degrees minus the angle given. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng complement of an angle? So ibig sabihin, yung 20 na to, yung angle na to, yung complement yung kapartner niya para maging 90 sila. So for example, itong 20 degrees, if this is the angle, yung complement ni 20 is yung 70 para maging 90 sila. Samantala, yung namang supplement ni 20 is 160 para makumpleto nila yung 180. And then, ganun din naman na yung explement ni 20 degrees ay 340 para maging 360 ang kanilang sum. So, tingnan natin ito. Find the angle whose supplement. So, ano ba ang supplement ng angle? So, if nilet natin na yung theta is the angle, the supplement of that angle is yung 100 times theta. So, yung daw supplement na to is equal to find the angle supplement exceeds yung 6 times daw ng complement by 20. So, ganito. So, find the angle whose supplement exceeds, lumagpas ng 20 degrees sa 6 times ng complement. So, the supplement is 180 minus theta. That is equal to the 6 times the quantity of the complement, where the complement is 90 minus theta plus yung 20 na in-exceed na ng ating supplement. So dahil one unknown na lang naman meron sa ating problem, let us proceed to shift solve. So the value of theta will be So that is 180 minus the unknown angle equals to the 6 times of the complement at 90 minus theta plus 20. So the angle is 76 degrees. Next, number 13. Find the supplement of an angle whose complement is 60. So may binigay ulit tayo dito that the complement of the angle is equal to 62 and this is also equal to the 90 minus yung mismong angle natin, di ba? Ang pinapahanap sa atin is the supplement. So what is the supplement of the angle? And meron tayong formula ng supplement ng angle ng 180 minus theta. So wag natin kakalimutan ito. So from the equation of the complement, 62 is equal to 90 minus theta. Malalaman natin that the angle theta is equal to 90 minus 62. And kung hindi ako nagkakamali, that is 28. And in order to find the value of the supplement, that is simply 180 minus yung mismong theta natin at 28. So 180 minus 28. So baka maisagot ninyo si 28, hindi pa siya ang supplement. Siya pa lang yung mismong value ng ating angle theta. And the answer is 150. Number 14. Find a certain angle has an exponent 5 times its complement. So, meron tayong dalawa quantity na binigay. The complement is 90 minus the angle theta, di ba? While the exponent is 360 minus the angle theta. So, huwag natin kakalimutan yan. So, sabi sa ating problem, the exponent 360 minus the angle theta is equal to the 5 times of the complement. And the complement is 90 minus angle theta. So, hanapin na natin directly yung value ng angle theta, which is the answer. So, 360 minus x, that is equal to 5 times the quantity 90 minus x. Solve, and the answer is 22.5 degrees. So, kung may question kayo, paki-chat na lang sa akin. Okay. Next, let us proceed to number 15. The sum of two interior angles of the triangle is equal to the third angle. And the difference of the two angles is equal to the thirds of the third angle. So find the third triangle. Siguro para sa ating reference, let us denote the angles of the triangle as angle A, angle B, and then angle C. Sabi dito, the sum of two interior angles of the triangle, let's say na yung daw sum ni A plus B is equal to the third angle. Tama? That is equal to C. Next, and the difference of the two angles, so bale yung A minus B naman daw, is equal to the 2/3 of the third angle. So 2/3 ng third angle natin, which is C. So find the third angle. Let us find the value of C. So paano yung gagawin natin ito? Diba sa algebra natin, ilan ang number of unknowns, kung ilan ang number of variables, dapat ganun din kadami ang number of equations na magagamit natin. Kasi kung hindi sila parehas, that is what we call Diophantine equations. So, pero dito, hindi Diophantine ang ating equations dito sa problem. Because meron pa tayong third equation na pwede nating magawa from the property of a triangle, wherein the sum of all three angles ng ating triangle is equal to 180. So let us arrange our equations in the standard form or general form. A plus B minus C is equal to 0. And this will be our equation number 1. A minus B minus 2/3 of C, and that is equal to 0, na siya namang magiging equation number 2 natin. Samantalang ang ating third equation will be A plus B plus C na equal sa 180. And that will be our third equation. So, meron tayong 3 equations, 3 unknowns. We can use mode 5 number 2 sa ating calculator. And ang makukuha natin values dyan is yung A, yung B, and then C. So, pakitake note lang natin na pag gumamit tayo ng mode 5, titignan yung number 2, yung merong variables X, Y, and Z, sila ay nasa kaliwa, and the constant term must be on the right side. Tulad dito, yung 0, and then yung 80. So, para hindi tayo magkamali. So, mode 5. The coefficient of A in the first equation is 1, B naman ay 1, and then C is negative 1. The constant term on the right side is 0. Sa equation number 2, 1C A, negative 1C B, negative 2/3 ang ating C, and then the constant term is still 0. And then 1C A, 1C B, 1C C, the constant term on the third equation is 180. 75, 15, and 90. 75, 15, and 90. We are looking for the value of the third angle, which is angle C, and that is 90 degrees. Number 16. Sine x minus y is equal to 0.9659. Sine x is equal to 0.5. Okay? Cosine 5. Diba sabi na natin, sige, sulat muna natin na yung sine of the quantity x minus y is equal to 0.9659. So, para mag-cancel itong sine na to, so para maging x minus y na lang siya, kunin natin yung arc sine of the right side, or yung arc sine ng 0.9659. So, ganun din dito. Given that sine x is equal to 0.5, so para maging x na lang siya, let us find the arc sine of 0.5. So, dito, makukuha natin yung value ni x minus y, and that is the arc sine, diba? Sine sine of 0.9659, and this is equal to 74.99 degrees, while the value of x naman is the arc sine of 0.5, which is equal to 30 degrees. So, since ang x natin is 30 degrees, so sa 30 degrees to x, so 30 minus y is equal to 74.99. May makukuha tayong value ni y dito, which is 30 minus 74.99. And this is y. Isolve na lang. Ito na lang siguro ang ilagay natin na value of y dito sa ating cosine y. So, therefore, cosine y will be the cosine of the quantity 30 minus 74.99. And ano naman ang answer nito? The cosine of 30 minus 74.99. And the answer is 0.707. 0.707. So the answer is letter C. Let us proceed to number 17. Tama? Number 17. So, ganun ulit. What is the value of tangent xy? So, para magawa natin, para makuha natin yung value ni tangent x plus y, we need the value of x and the value of y. And makukuha natin yan from the given equations. Tangent x is equal to 1/2. Therefore, x is the arc tangent of 1/2. Ganun din naman dito kay tangent y na equal sa 1/3. So solving for y, that is the arctangent of 1/3. So magkakaroon na tayo ng values of x and y here. So let us find the values of the variables. So shift tangent, that is the arctan of 0.5 or yung 1/2 natin, 26.565. 26.565 degrees. While the value of y is shift tangent of 1 divided by 3 or 1/3. And this is 18.435. 18.435. Getting the value of tangent quantity x plus y, this will be tangent quantity. The x is 26.565 and then the y is 18.435. So this will be our answer. Tangent 26.565 plus 18.435. And the answer is exactly 1. So that is correct, letter A. Next, number 18. How many degrees is 6,400 Kelvin? So dito sa item na to, kabisaduhin natin itong mga conversion factors na to relating to one complete revolution. So ang ating one complete revolution ay mayroong katumbas na 360 degrees. Meron din niyang katumbas na 2 pi rad. And then 6,400 Kelvin. And that is also equal to 400 grads. So kung makikita natin dito, tinatanong naman how many degrees is 6,400 Kelvin. And ito yan, di ba? 6,400 Kelvin has one revolution and 360 degrees. So letter B. Dapat kabisado lang. Next, number 19. Find the rectangular coordinates of the point with polar coordinates r is equal to 3 and then the theta is equal to 5/6. So gawin natin yung Cartesian plane natin. So ang angle na pi over 6 nasa ang quadrant na siya. So ano na natin, i-convert na lang muna natin manually. Diba? Mas madali nga hanapin kung nasa ang quadrant mag-determinate ang ating angle kapag siya ay 8 degrees. So meron tayong rad sa numerator, dapat sa denominator siya. And yung isang pi rad, may katumbas siya 180 degrees. Cancel pi and 180 over 6. That is 30 degrees. Tama. Ang meaning ito yan. 30 degrees. And ito yung radius niyan, di ba? Kung para sa ating polar coordinates, dalawa ang binibigay niyan. The radius and the angle. So ito yung angle. And yung haba ng pinaka magiging hypotenuse, kumbaga, ay ayun yung radius na binibigay. So ang hinahanap natin is the rectangular coordinates, which is the y coordinate or yung height ng ating triangle. And the x coordinate or length ng ating triangle. And that is a right triangle. Using SOHCAHTOA relation, finding the values of opposite side and the adjacent side using the hypotenuse. So, gamitin muna natin SOHCAHTOA. So, bale, para sa ating that will be the sine angle or sine 30 and equal to the opposite, which is y, over the hypotenuse 3. Therefore, y is 3 sine 30. And then, using CAH or natin, that will be cosine 30 cosine angle and equal to the adjacent, which is yung x over the hypotenuse 3. So find the value of x, that will be 3 cosine 30. So the value of y is 3 sine 30, which is 3 halves, and then the value of x is 3 cosine 30. Which is equal to 3 square root of 3 over 2. 3 square root of 3 over 2. So baka magkamali tayo, unahin natin hanapin si x na mayroong 3 square root of 3 over 2. Ito, 3 square root of 3 over 2 and the value of y is 3 times. That is letter B. Meron tayong shortcut dito. Kung anong coordinates ang hinahanap sa ating problem, ayun yung papalabasin natin sa calculator. So kapag rectangular coordinates ang hinahanap, ito ang papalabasin natin. And kapag polar coordinates ang hinahanap, ito naman yung papalabasin natin sa calculator. And nasaan yan? So ang ilalagay natin dito is yung r and the value of the angle. And dito naman is the value of x and y kasi nga kabaliktad sila. Dito, given yung x and y, hinahanap yung polar. Dito, hinahanap ang rectangular given yung r and theta. And ayan ay nakay plus and minus sa ating calculator. So, shift minus, ito ang hinahanap natin. So, r and theta ang ilalagay natin. The r is 3 and then quit. Ito, yung nasa close parenthesis. And then, the theta in degrees. So, pakicheck nyo na lang din kung ang calculator nito ay naka-degrees or naka-radian. Kapag naka-degrees yan, ito ilalagay natin, 30 degrees. And the answer para sa x is 10. And then y is 1.5 or 3 halves. So, i-check lang natin that the value of 3 square root of 3 divided by 2 is equal to 2.598. So, ito yan. Kapalabasin naman natin yung value ni r at saka ni theta using the answer. So, shift all naman dahil polar ang hanap. The value of x is 3 square root of 3 all over 2. Okay. The value of y is 3 divided by 2. So, ilalabas na yung polar coordinates. 3 and 30 degrees. Okay. Next, number 20. At a triangular fish pen has sides 30, 50, and 60 centimeters. So, i-assume natin na ganito. Ang ating fish pen. Merong 30 cm dito, 50 centimeters, and 60 centimeters. Find the acute angle opposite to the shortest side. The shortest side is this one. The 30 centimeters has 30 centimeter side, and ito ang kanyang opposite angle. Hanapin natin yung value, the angle theta. So, ang gagamitin natin dito is the cosine law. Dahil meron tayong dalawang sides na mayroong interior angle na involved sa kanila or yung angle na nasa gitna. The cosine law c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cosine theta. So this the angle theta and yung nandito sa left side ay yung magka-opposite na part. So, ang magka-opposite na part sa atin, the angle theta and the 30 centimeter side. So, therefore, yung A and B natin is the 60 centimeter side and the 50 centimeter side. So, minus 2, 60 times 50 cosine theta. Try na lang natin mag-shift solve. So, kapag nag-shift solve tayo, ano ba ang ilalabas na natin angle? 30 square equal 60 square plus 50 square minus 2 times 50 times 60 cosine alpha x. Shift solve. Then bago nyo pindutin yung equals, mamili lang kayo ng isa na gusto nyo ilagay from the choices. For example, 45. Select it. So, ilalabas pa rin naman ng calculator yung mismong correct answer, which is 29.926 degrees or approximately 30 degrees. The answer is letter C. Sige, hanggang 22 muna tayo and then break time at 15 minutes. Number 21. Given the curve y is equal to 3 cosine 1 half x. Kapag binarap natin yan, kapag binarap natin yung y is equal to 3 cosine 1 half x, ganito ang magiging itsura. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Meron tayong amplitude na 3. Kapag cosine kasi mag-uumpisa siya sa amplitude na 3. And ganito naman. This is 3. And then, di ba ito isang complete cycle, yung kalahating taas. Kinumpleto niya ilalim. Papunta sa other half ng taas. And dito niya na-complete ang isang cycle sa loob ng t period, which is equal to period. And that is also equal to 1 over m for the reciprocal of the frequency. Pero meron tayong shortcut dito kung tayo magkala. For sine and cosine, na mayroong general equation na y is equal to a sa sine muna, sine dx, and kapag cosine naman, y is equal to a cosine dx. Tandaan natin, kapag ito ang itsura ng ating equation, the amplitude is a, kung ano man yung a dito sa quantity, and the period is equal to 2 pi over kung ano man yung b dito. So from the given, y is equal to 2 cosine 1 half of x. And from the given, this will be our a and this will be our b. So from that, the amplitude is equal to 3 and the period is equal to 2 pi over b. So 2 pi over b, and yung b natin is 1 half, and that will become 4 pi. This will be our answer. 3 and 4 pi. Letter. Okay, huwag natin kakalimutan. For sine and cosine. Para sa ating problem number 22, in the curve y is equal to 1 half tangent x, what is the period? So for tangent naman, for tangent, where y is equal to a, tangent dx, ganun pa din. So amplitude, that is still the value of a, pero magbabago na yung ating period. The period will be pi over b. So from the given, y is equal to 1 half tangent x. So this is the value of a, and yung 1 naman is the value of b. So solving for the amplitude, that will be equal to 1 half, but the period will become pi over 1, or simply pi, dahil ang b natin ay 1. So the answer is letter C. A support wire is anchored 12 feet up from the base of a flagpole, and the horizontal distance of the base of the flagpole from the other end of the wire is 16 feet. Find the length of the supporting wire. So, paano ba natin gagawin yung figure ng ating problem? Meron daw isang flagpole na sinusuportahan ng isang wire. And then, yung wire na yun ay nakatali 12 feet up from the base of the flagpole. So, ito yun. 12 feet. Yung wire is ganito, yung pagkakasuporta niya sa ating flagpole. And the horizontal distance between the base of the flagpole and the other end of the wire is 16 feet. So this is the 16 feet. Find the length of the supporting wire. This is the supporting wire. Ano daw yung haba niya? What is the length? S. Siyempre, madali lang yun, di ba? Meron tayo nakikita isang right triangle, and by using Pythagorean theorem, alam na kagad natin yung malalaman na agad natin ang haba ng ating wire or yung kung ano man yung value ng S. So by Pythagorean theorem, S square is equal to 12 square plus 16 square. And by solving for S, that is the square root of 12 square plus 16 square. The answer is 20 feet. And that is letter C. Let us